Nice? Yes? It's Friday afternoon and I am here in Luvly. So tonight I am cooking and I needed some stuff, so I thought it would be easier and fastest way to just come here and just grab whatever things I want. So it has been some time since I did any groceries. The reason being is because I've been doing groceries through online right now, and it's just that so happened certain things that I needed for today are not available online. And here I have my grocery list, so I will just make sure I go according to list and not overbuy. Groceries, and as usual I've been defeated by getting things that is not in my list. But anyway, yeah, sometimes it's like that lah. Even though you already write down a list, but still there are still a couple of things that you just need to get hold of it. Yep. We are here in our wet kitchen and the husband decided to help me. So we are cooking grilled salmon, this one that I prepared earlier, and mashed potato at the side, and mushroom soup, and add mushrooms, and some Brussels sprouts, cherry tomatoes, and maybe some eggs. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Not bad. Alright, let's get started. Oh! Done cooking.